Hello?
Oh no! Help me! Oh no!
Wait a second. That's better.
What color is Mars? Red, yellow, polka dot. Red! A polka dot Mars? That would just be silly. Which planet is our home? Earth, Jupiter, cat. Earth! Which planet has the most rings? Saturn, Neptune, donut. Saturn. Which planet is the hottest? Venus, Pluto, oven. Venus. Wait, did you think it was the oven? Which planet spins on its side? Uranus, Jupiter, stinky socks, ew. Uranus. Which planet is called the blue planet? Earth, Saturn, Potty. Earth. Wait, did you think it was the potty? Because it's pretty blue. Good job! You are the best!